2019 and up Chevrolet Silverado cabin air filter replacement. Let's do it. It's located behind the glove box compartment. Locate the dampener. Sometimes they locate it right here or on the other side, on the right side. So let's pop it off. It's off right now. Let's pop out the stopper right here. It's off. Same thing on this side. There you go. It is off the vehicle. Here is the cabin air filter. You squeeze that tab and it's out. Here is the cabin air filter. Here is the new one. That's the part number for it. Make sure you pay attention to the airflow right here. The arrow pointing down, that's the airflow. And you put it in. Here is the tab right here. You push it in so you can pop it out the holder. I forgot the name of it. To put it in, you slide it in, right? You see the tabs, and it's in. That's it. So let's put the glove box back in. You pop it. Make sure you pay attention to this right here, the dampener. Push it in. There you go. Let's pop the dampener into place. That's it. We're done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All done, baby.